Biofuels are a type of renewable energy derived from biological sources, primarily plant and animal materials. They are considered an alternative to fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, due to their potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on finite resources. Biofuels can be used to power vehicles, generate electricity, and provide heat. There are several types of biofuels, each with its own production process and characteristics. First-generation biofuels. These are derived from food crops or crops specifically grown for biofuel production. The two main types of first-generation biofuels are bioethanol. This is an alcohol-based fuel made from sugar-rich crops like sugarcane, corn, and wheat. The production process involves fermenting the sugars in these crops into ethanol, which can be blended with gasoline or used as a standalone fuel in certain engines. Biodiesel. Biodiesel is produced from vegetable oils, such as soybean, canola, and palm oil, or animal fats through a process called transesterification. This process involves reacting the oils or fats with an alcohol to produce biodiesel and glycerol as a byproduct. Biodiesel can be used as a direct replacement for diesel fuel in diesel engines. Second-generation biofuels. These are produced from non-food feedstocks, such as agricultural residues, woody biomass, and certain dedicated energy crops. Second-generation biofuels aim to address some of the limitations associated with first-generation biofuels, such as competition with food production and land use concerns. Types of second-generation biofuels include cellulosic ethanol. This is derived from the cellulose and lignin components of plant cell walls. Feedstocks can include agricultural residues, corn stover, wheat straw, forest residues, and dedicated energy crops, switchgrass, miscanthus. Cellulosic ethanol production involves breaking down these complex structures into sugars that can be fermented into ethanol. Advanced biodiesel. This category includes fuels produced from algae and other non-food oil sources. Algae can be grown in various environments, such as ponds and bioreactors, and their lipid content can be converted into biodiesel. Third-generation biofuels. These biofuels are typically derived from microorganisms, such as bacteria and yeast, that have been genetically engineered to produce specific fuels. One example is the production of biofuels directly from carbon dioxide using engineered microorganisms and sunlight through a process similar to photosynthesis. Fourth-generation biofuels. This term is sometimes used to refer to biofuels produced from non-biological processes, such as using chemical catalysts to convert biomass into fuels. It can also encompass the use of synthetic biology to create custom-designed organisms for efficient fuel production. Biofuels have the potential to play a role in reducing carbon emissions and providing a more sustainable energy source. However, their widespread adoption faces challenges such as technical feasibility, economic viability, land use competition, and potential impacts on food production. Additionally, the overall sustainability of biofuels depends on factors such as the energy required for cultivation, processing, and transportation.